The sap is flowing, and I'm collecting. Now I'm protected from the rain. I won't have a bucket full of rainwater. Much better. There he goes. Bang! Bang! Boys, if that don't give you a boner, I don't know what will. Boiling and boiling and boiling. I'm going to be here for hours. But it's fun. Alright, so here's more of the operation. I'm getting really bored here. There's my wood supply, which is dwindling, but I have more. And I got a good fire. And the way I get it in there is I run it through this funnel with a filter inside, so it filters out all the impurities. And grab my camera. I dip in with this, which is clean, inside and out. And just pour it through the funnel and try to keep the boil going. Well, I'm really bored. Alright, so when you get stuff like this, that's impurities coming out of the sap. So, as I do this one-handed and hold the camera with one hand, you just kind of get it as you can as it's boiling. And I'm still boiling. And I'm getting ready to eat dinner, so woohoo! It's gonna be a long night, but got a good setup here, and I should be good to go. Got plenty of wood over here. Just push it over there. Keep blowing it off. I'm declaring the ho-ho as the official snack of boiling maple syrup. Because it tastes real good, and you can get a whole bunch of them, and it only takes a couple of bites, and they're delicious. It's pretty good. Good times. So, we're almost done. It's late, but that is the rest of it right there in that little pitcher. Once that goes in and gets boiled down a little bit, it's time for sleeps. I don't know if you can see, it's sleeting or snowing or something. But there's a squirrel. It's pretty cool. So I went back and picked up some more sap and didn't have a whole lot. Well, I'll say 4 gallons worth, but I'm boiling it down to see if there's anything left when I get done. And the buckets are still up and collecting sap. It's going to rain for days and days in a row, so my neighbor said he would dump the buckets of all the rainwater, and I'll go down there a day or two after and pick up the rest of the sap, and probably that'll be it for the season if I have full buckets. Talk to you soon. Now that's a good flow there. So this is the second batch, or the third batch because I ruined the second one. But this is about 8 gallons going down, and should be done in about an hour or so, maybe longer. This will taste more traditional like maple syrup. or the one over the fire has a smoky taste to it that I kind of like, but I'll kind of compare the two and see which one I want to do next year when maple season is in again. This is a really exciting video. The final boil.